YouTube, what's up today? It's Courtney here again. So for today's video, I kind of had a weird idea. Today, in the midst of all my boredom, saw this NYX, or I guess some people call it NYX lipstick kit. I think it's called Vault 2. I don't know if there's a Vault 1. Anyways, I saw it and I thought, how fun would it be to get that and try every single shade? I haven't really done anything like this yet, but we're gonna try it out. Okay, so this is what the lipstick kit looks like. Yes, I lost a nail doing laundry and it like popped off. Anyways, I am going to be trying every single shade in this kit. I have no idea how many there are. I want to say it said 36. 36. That's 36 different shades of lipstick. We're gonna try them all. I want to preface with a couple things. One, no, this is not an ad. It's not sponsored. Honestly, just doing this because, like I said, I'm bored. I need friends. Yeah, so let's just get into it. We're gonna open it right now. So the first color we have, the name is Stockholm. That's what it looks like a little bit. And we're gonna try it on. So just in case anybody's wondering, no, I do not get my lips done. I've never had injections. I actually am so terrified of needle. Every single time I get a shot or any kind of needle comes near me, I actually pass out. My lips are completely natural. All right, so this is Stockholm. Honestly, I kind of like it. I don't really wear lipstick that much. This one is named, Tokyo. I wonder if these are all places. Oh, this one's so much like, this is so much more opaque. Is opaque the right word? Did I use that word right? All right, Tokyo. So far, I'm not loving it. The right, like, outfit, I guess. Could probably make it work. Already getting sick of trying to pop these out. Number 3, London. I'm starting to think that all of these are named after places. Kind of cool. Kind of like that. Let's try it out. Okay. I feel like it looks like the first one, but also I don't really remember what the first one looked like. So I can't tell. It's like a 5. Okay, that is literally the worst lipstick job I've ever done. What is that? I have to fix it. I think that's not any better. This one. Maybe in the summer. I don't know. If I was wearing like a dress, I could see it. Okay, I just realized I never said the name on the last one, but it was Antwerp. I'm gonna have to look that up after because I'm not really sure where that is. Istanbul. My lips are already dry. If I wore lipstick, I feel like I would wear this one. I'll give it like an 8. In high school, I used to put a little kiss mark on all of my really important school assignments. One time I got extra credit for it. Kind of became my little thing, and that's why I put a little kiss mark on the corner of my videos. Oh gosh. Sao Paulo. Oh my gosh, I give up. Oh, it's cute. It's kind of like a red. Oh gosh, this is why they invented lip liner, you guys. I don't know why, but like I think of like sipping lemonade. Not gonna say the name again. Number 6. Goodbye. All right, number 7 looks an awful lot like the other two. Oh my gosh, do these have to have the hardest name? Abu Dhabi. Maybe we should stop saying the names. It goes to show how much I have studied my pronunciation of places around the world. I can't tell if this is half the other color, half this one, but either way, I don't hate it. We love a good nude. Oh, that sounded bad. We love a good nude lipstick. Number 8, this one kind of mixes it up a little. Aw, Monte Carlo. This one is a red. What is that? That honestly looked so bad. Classic red. I do not wear red very often. I think it's cute. I got that one all over my face. New makeup wipe. Next number, because I lost track. Milan. I don't know, what do we think, guys? I don't hate it. I also am starting to think that all of these colors look the exact same. That's my rating. Decent. Is there like a trick I don't know about to get off your lipstick without getting it on your face? Next color. I still have no idea what number we're on. Like, I'm convinced I've already done this one. Zurich. I kind of like this one. I wonder what it would look like with my hair up. I don't know why that makes it any different. You know, so far we don't have any that I like hate, so that's a good sign. Okay, next one, Athens. I'm convinced these are all the same. Somehow when I put them on though, they look different. I don't get it. It's a little lighter. Like, it's kind of lighter than the last one. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, this is Cairo. This one's like super light. Although it looks like the other ones, I know, hear me out. It's lighter, I promise. Seriously, I feel like my lip is disappearing. It's kind of tripping me out. I think this is the first one I hate. Not that I'm like a nude lipstick hater, but I just feel like this makes me literally look like I have no lips. Like, they're gone. Guys, we're on to the second row. Let's go. These ones look a little bit more intimidating. They're like really dark, and I don't do dark. Like, the first row is probably more my speed. All right, first one on the second row is Prague. I feel like this one's cute off. I don't know how much I'll love it on, but okay, so when I started, I liked it, and then like I didn't like it halfway through. Now that it's finished, I think I like it. I think it's a little bit more flirty than I normally go for. Guys, this one looks like the first row. Me, I'm not crazy. I think this one says Canes. Gosh, I'm gonna be so embarrassed when I find out how all of these are pronounced. If I were to name this, I would name it like Mud, like that red kind of stand. But what number is this anyways? Guys, we're on number 15. It honestly looks like I'm bleeding. Ow. I kind of don't even want to finish it. I already know I don't like it. Wait, it kind of looked good there for a second. We're gonna finish it. Guys, sometimes I did little peaks too sharp. Like, it shouldn't be a thing. I know I said I hated it, but I kind of like it. Like, if I think about like fall, October, August, you know, I feel like lipstick is growing on me. I think I'd be like going the other way. Ugh, I never want to put on lipstick again, but it's like kind of starting to make me like it again. Guys, I can't believe I cut my hair earlier. All right, number 16. From here, this one looks black, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work out. It's called Transylvania. Oh my, oh my gosh. You guys, you have to be really good at putting on lipstick to put on this dark of a color. I feel like I've seen people wear shades like this before. I've never myself thought about wearing a lipstick this dark. I need like a different vibe if I'm gonna put, let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, what about now? What if I like, I don't know though. It's not the color itself that I hate. It's the fact that, so one of the reasons I don't like lipstick is because it's all you can look at on a person's face if it's like bold like this. I don't think I like it. Not for me. Not for me, fam. I just think it's time for a new makeup wipe. But our first like brown one. Berlin. I have a relative named Berlin. I have so many thoughts and none of them are good. I'm starting to get lazy. Anybody else ever get like mascara on top of their eyelids? Oh, that's lovely. I got lipstick up there. There was a lady in my neighborhood growing up, an older woman that only wore brown lipstick. I kind of feel like her right now. I don't know. It would have to be a certain outfit. It would have to be a certain day, or I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Guys, we're on 18. Let's go. We're like halfway. 18 is Budapest. Not really sure how to describe this color yet. Let's see it on. I feel like we've put one on similar to this. Can't tell though. After that brown, my eyes, everything looks brown right now. I don't know if that's normal. Did I get it on my teeth again? I feel like with the bright colors though, like it might be cool. Anyways, Budapest. I don't hate it. Kind of looks like when you like drink grape juice and it stains everything. All right, number 19, Madrid. Hopefully I make it to all of these places someday. Probably should learn how to pronounce them first. Kind of like why do I feel like we already did this? And I kind of like want to change the video. 19 shades of lipstick. But I won't for you guys. Hello. I'm not in the mood to fix it, so I'm just gonna like get far away so you guys can't tell how bad it looks. It just kind of feels like a red, but less edgy. I don't know. How does this keep happening? Vancouver. I'm really scared of this one. I genuinely can't tell if it's black. Oh no. No, I see black right there. It's not black. I love that I'm wearing purple lipstick right now and a shirt that looks like a vintage nightgown. Kind of a vibe. Sale. I think I'm really liking it so far. It might be one of my favorites. Moscow. It is black and blue. What if I would travel to all these places and I had to wear the lipstick color that like, correlated with the place I was in? I don't know if I love it or hate it. Okay, I hate it when I smile. Would I ever wear it? No. But it could be fun. Rome. Aw. Oh. I like it. Kind of like same as all the other ones that look like this. I give it a 5 for being average. Oh. Dubai. Is she really about to vacuum right now? So anyways, Dubai is not bad. Another fall color. We're gonna take a break until she's done vacuuming. This is our 25th lipstick. Los Angeles. Funny story, I lived in Los Angeles for a while. I lived in Venice, like 2.5 miles from the beach. Started to get like anxiety about the sand a lot, like always being in my car, apartment, and everywhere honestly. Like call it like sand-anxiety. Anyways, Los Angeles, decent place to live. Lipstick, not bad. Brussels, another black one. Yay. Alright, I give up. Brussels! Ooh, like a 2 out of 10. Toulouse. I know this looks like all the other ones. This one has a little bit more of like a lavender tint to it. My lips are starting to burn a little bit. This is another favorite. I like it. Hey, Barcelona. Oh, you guys, I just remembered I haven't showed you like any of them. I think I would probably only ever wear this color if it was Halloween. Even then, I feel like it's too bright. Is this like the 10th time I've gotten lipstick on my teeth? How do you guys feel about red lipstick? Because seriously, it's like a toss-up for me. That's... What? How? Dallas. Never been to Dallas. This feels like a Dallas color. This feels right. I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like this one. Guys, this one is probably the scariest yet. It's gray. St. Petersburg. I blame everything on the... Oh, hello. In what world? I like want to like it because it's weird. There's something about it that I don't like. It might be that it's gray. Cypress. I think it's been a long time since we've had a pink. Kind of cute. I just like pinks. I don't know why. Yeah, that's a given. Let's move on. I've seen this word before. I've heard people say it. Now I'm totally second guessing myself on how you say it. Lisbon. This is our 5th to last one. This is like a mix between the gray and the brown. Like I could make it work. There's a lot of them I feel like I can't pull off. And that's okay. Las Vegas. Green. This is exciting. Green's fun. Guys, I take it back. I actually hate it. I can do it. Singapore. This has taken me so much longer than I thought. I don't know what I'm doing. Another red. You guys know my thoughts on red already. Miami. I'm not hating the purples like I thought I would. I would have to see in the daylight, like with an outfit, if I liked it. Can you guys tell how red my face is from just rubbing it? Last one. Holy cow, we made it. Seville. Of course it would be one that I can't like pronounce. I think it looks like a lovely color. I feel like it's like kind of would be underrated like in a daze. I've honestly been doing this for so long. That was me trying on 36 different shades of lipstick, a video that you probably never knew you needed. That was honestly fun, even though it was like so not fun. If you guys have any questions or you want to comment your favorite lipstick or your least favorite, or if you want to tell me how to pronounce some of these names, go for it in the comments below. Throw a like, subscribe if you want to see more weird, fun, beauty, fitness videos. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I'm kind of the type of person that like bounces around, tries a lot of different things. To me, my videos will probably be the same. I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I hope you enjoyed the video.